Everybody who works over there is an unsung hero trying to do the right thing for humanity.
You don't have the money to go to the doctor, and they realize this, and they are giving up a lot of their time, and they're giving their skills to you for nothing in return. And I don't know how to say thank you enough for everything they've done for me. They're amazing here.
They're hard-working people, and just because they have no insurance through no fault of their own, they aren't able to get medical care anywhere else. And I just feel I get a lot out of it by providing the care for these people.
The Volunteers in Medicine Clinic is just such a nice place to be. We do such a great service for folks in Martin County who don't have access to health care. It's nice to come into a setting where you don't have to be productive and see X amount of patients per hour and make sure all your billing and your charges are okay. We can do really good medicine here, great follow-up, because we don't have those similar constraints. I just wish there were more of us who were here.
I volunteer because it's a way of giving back to the community. You know, we all know the healthcare costs in this country rising. We all know the affordability and the accessibility of care is becoming more and more problem. You know, little things we do to give back and be accessible really goes a long ways.
Because 98 cents out of every dollar you give goes directly to patient care. Unlike other places where you have high overhead due to salaries and costs and all that type of stuff, the reason we can provide that kind of service here is because the volunteer component. Your physicians are volunteers. A lot of the staff out in the front office area volunteers. And that is why we can provide such good quality care at such a low cost.
One of the things we talk about in this country is that the United States has the greatest medical care in the world. We certainly do. Bypass surgery, stents, all sorts of incredible imaging studies to diagnose disease. But if you can't afford it, you're not getting any.
To me, it was a very humbling experience to even have to go there at first. And everybody always treated me and everybody else that I saw with the utmost respect. And that says a lot for everybody there. And I told Dr. Voss that the last time I was there because I was lucky enough or fortunate enough to get a job with insurance, so I'm a former patient of VIN now.
Everybody in the building is just, they love their job. And I love them for loving their job. And this is a place where you can come at when you don't have means of health care. I applaud them for it, because there's a lot of people out here that need it.
It's a great place to come. If you don't have the money or the means, they need to contact them, because they got the best doctors, the best nurses, and the best staff of anybody around. I get better treatment here than I ever did at a doctor's office.
Nobody talked down to you. They treated you beautifully, very friendly, and they cared. It wasn't phony. You could see it. They cared.
And we'll see what kind of dangerous shape you are in. Let's confirm it. If we can't confirm it, they'll let you go.
I can't do it, make a decision without your white count, without x-rays of your abdomen, and seeing what's going on, okay? That you need at a minimum. I'm sorry it's this way before Christmas, but you don't plan these things.
I think you should be supportive, because if somebody would have told me 10 years ago that I would have been in the financial situation I was a year ago, I'd have laughed at them. But after having a triple bypass with no health insurance, it was a real eye-opener to me. So, you know, when people say only, you know, for the grace of God, it's not me, well, you know, we all need to take a good look at it, because it could be you tomorrow.
And people are dying in this country. People who had good jobs, people who are not freeloading on the economy, who are literally dying of diseases that are eminently treatable because they can't even access a doctor. They can't even access primary care. That causes me great chagrin. And if I can do something about that in one county in this country, then I've done something with my life. This is the most important thing I've ever done in my life, following a very successful private practice in Stamford, Connecticut.
They will do anything for you, and I used to think maybe I should be ashamed to come to a free thing like this, but it's unbelievable, and without them I don't know where I'd be right now.
do. And may God bless them abundantly for the rest of their lives for what they do, because they deserve it. And I hope they have good lives. And I thank them from the bottom of my heart. This is a great organization.